Let's learn factorizing algebraic expressions. A factor is nothing but which divides directly onto a number, leaving no remainder. Okay, this is a basic concept which we learn. So in here also we can say that x minus 3 is a factor of a polynomial. Like for example, maybe 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x minus 3. If you divide this one by x by 3, you should get a remainder of 0. Okay, now factorizing is very important when you need to solve an algebraic equation. So only if you factorize it, you will be able to solve and find the value of x. Now there are multiple methods where we can use to factorize. So the first one is finding the highest common factor. Like for example, if it is 2x square minus 4xy, you can see that 2 and x is common here, so I just put 2x outside and then I will have x minus 2y here. Okay, so this is just by trying to find the common factors and then taking it outside. Now this is the first method, and then you have something called grouping, where if you have more than 2 terms or more than 3 terms, how you will factorize. An example will be 6x square y plus 3xy square minus 12x minus 6y. So if you have an equation like this, what you can do is you can group this and this, and then you can take the common factors outside, which could be 3x y out of this, and then 2x plus y, and here what you can take is 6 outside. You can take minus 6 outside, and then you will get 2x plus y, and then you can say these two again is common, so 3xy minus 6 and 2x plus y. So this is the common method of grouping. Okay, so you group together similar items and then factorize it. Then you have perfect squares. It is called difference of perfect squares. So difference of perfect squares. So this is a special case where you have two squares and it is a subtraction in between. So there's a difference of two squares. In this case, you can use this identity x minus y times x plus y. So an example for this will be x square minus 25. If you have something like this, you will write x square minus 5 square. Then you can write this as x plus 5 and x minus 5. Okay, and again if you have if you have an equation like this, 4x square minus 16y square, you can rewrite this as 2x the whole square minus 4y square, that is equal to 2x minus 4y and 2x plus 4y. Okay, you can again further simplify this because you have 2 in common, so that's a method which you can simplify it further. Okay, then you have a normal quadratic simplification, like if you have something like x square plus 3x minus 18, what you can use is a normal method which we learned in junior cert. Like you find the factors of 18, which is I will usually write all the factors, so it is like 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, and that's it. And I see which one added together will give me plus 3. So you can take the variation, like you can take the positive and the negative number. So in this case, what I will get is 3 and 6, and I would map it to minus 3 and positive 6, because only then I will get a positive 3, which is here. And then I will rewrite this as x minus 3 and x plus 6, and this will be the factors of this. Or you can use the minus b formula. Minus b formula is there in the formula book. So minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So you find the values of x using the minus b formula. And for example, if you are getting the values as minus 3 and 2, the factors will be x plus 3 and x minus 2. So you have to remember that to change the sign, because in minus b formula what you are finding is the values of x. So when you write it as factors, you have to reverse the sign and write the factors. Now the next one is factorizing terms of the form x cube minus y cube. Okay, so for factorizing x cube minus y cube, there is an identity which is x minus y times x square plus xy plus y square. Similarly for this one, x square plus y square, sorry, x cube plus y cube, you have the identity x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, these two identities are not in the formula book, but this has to be used. So memorize this formula, try to understand. If you are not able to recollect it, you are lost. In the exam there is no other way you can find this out. So learn this formula out. To learn this formula, the easiest way is to write it down maybe 10 times or 20 times and you will get it. That's the easiest way, I would say. So please learn this formula out so that you will be able to factorize certain numbers. Like an example for this will be x cube minus 8. Okay, so x cube minus 8 can be written as x cube minus 2 cube. So this formula will hold good, and then you can write it as x minus 2 times x square plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so that's the way you do it. Another one, 27x cube minus y cube. So this can be written as 3x cube minus y cube. So 3x minus y and 3x square. So this is 3x square minus 3x times y plus y square. So which will be 3x minus y times 9x square minus 3xy. Sorry, this is not minus, this will be plus 3xy plus y square. So remember the formula. One easy way to remember is if there is a minus here, you will get a minus here.